Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today let's solve this Leetcode 1436 destination city using Swift. So you must have seen a lot of solution in C++, Java and Python, but there are many less solutions available on Swift. So here comes my channel. Let's analyze this question, okay? As per the questions, it says that you have been you've been given a path. All those paths have source and destination. Okay, another again source and destination. And cool. So now let's analyze this. The source is B and the destination is C. The source is on the second data. The source is D, but the destination is C. And finally, the last, the source is C and the destination is A. By seeing this, we can state that if we implement a linked list and start adding these values, and once the linked list is completed, we can return the last element and the result is fine. But let me show you a different way how we can use set and do loops to solve it. Let's solve the solution using set. Okay. First, what we'll do is we'll create a variable s of type set. Okay, and in this we'll store all the source. So these are the sources, right? So that will give me B, D, and C, and the destinations are C, B, and A. Once we get all this data, then what we'll do is we'll use the destination to check these datas are available here or not. Okay, so let's read this again. Therefore, there will be exactly one destination, and all these are destinations. All these are destinations. So the answer will always be the red arrows. Okay, so let's get back to the data. So we have already stored these values on set, and then a second loop will loop it on the red arrows. So let's check it together. C is available on S or not. C is available? Yes. Then comes to B. B is available on S or not? B is available on S or not? Yes, it's available. Now A is not available. A is not available. It means A is the last destination. Now let's see it how to implement it on code. See how to implement in Swift. Cool. So first we'll create a source set of type set, which will be of string and empty. Okay. Now first loop will store all the sources in our source set. Source dot insert. The new member will be s dot path first time. Yeah. Now whatever destination we have, we'll cross verify with the source set, right? Destination in paths. So let's get the element equal to destination dot last. Cool. If source dot contain our element, don't do anything. But if it does not, it means that's a destination. So sorry, return the element. All good. It need to obey the command. Cool. Now let's copy this code and paste it on our Leetcode. Okay, click run. Let's see if it passes the tests. Yeah, it's done, right? Let's submit. Cool, we solved it. Hope this helped. Uh, Please subscribe and like the video so that I can make more videos on Leetcode so that all our iOS developers, friends, will succeed in data structure and algorithm problem solving questions of interview round. Thank you. Peace.